Once you unbox your mini mover rotary table, you want to make sure you have all the pieces and parts that are listed in your rotary table owner's manual. Your first step is to remove all 4 of the socket head cap screws on the base of the post. The next step is to bring the 4 socket head screws up through the base, where you will attach the post in this fashion here. The next step is to take the 4 socket head screws out of the top of the post, where we'll be attaching the X-frame next. Secure the X-frame with the 4 socket head screws in the top of the post. To get your table to approximate working height, you're first going to want to lock all 4 of the casters and loosen the 4 screws that are holding the clamping plate together, and then adjust the height to an approximate level. Tighten the screws. Once the driver mounting bracket is mounted to the driver itself, you're just going to slide it into the T-slots and adjust it to the height you'd like it to be at, and you'll tighten the screws. Your next step, you're going to remove the knob on top of the hub, marking where the location of the shear pin is, which will make it easy to locate the tabletop. Next, you're going to drop the table onto the hub and rotate it gently until it slides into place. Then take your hub knob and screw it into place tightly. Next, you're going to loosen all the bolts on the diverter arm, using the T-nuts to slide it into place to a height just above the tabletop, where you'll screw these down first tightly. Next, you're going to want to angle the diverter arm to any angle you want and tighten down the screws tightly. To use your pull handle, just loosen this screw here, pull the handle out, and tighten, and you're able to move your table across the shop. And the last step is take your finish plates and nail it into place.